Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to change background color in Word on your mobile phone. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my mobile I just open Word application. So I want to create a Word document with the background color. So what I have to do, so this is a Word application. I just want to create a new file. Just click the plus button to create a new file. So if you want to create a blank document or any other template, you can choose according to your needs. For example, I just select the blank document. So this is a blank document. So I would like to make a background color. On the background color I want to make my text over there. What I have to do, so on top you will find option called A and pencil button. Just hit the button. You will get a menu box in downside. Just select the home and you will get option called insert, draw, layout and a review. So just choose a insert. You will find a different kind of option. So just choose a shapes. So once you choose the shape, there will be a different kind of shapes will be available. So I want to make this shape as a background. So this is a beautiful tips from the Word. Whatever you are using the mobile phone, you want to make a creative document to send to your clients or send to your students or send to your teachers. It is a beautiful option. So just choose the shape, a rectangle shape. The shapes will be insert in your Word documents. So I want to increase the size of the rectangle box or triangle box. Just increase the size. Using the corner you can increase the size. So if you want to reduce the center box of your document, just double tap on that. Automatically you will get options. So just fill your shapes on your according to your document size. So I have fixed on top and bottom and left and right and with everything I have fixed over here, so I can able to reduce and see. Yes, so now everything is set over here. Just press the backspace, you will get option called, so entire document will be filled using the background. So now the option called background color. So just choose the color option. On downside you will get option called fill color option. So whatever color you want, you can choose according to your need. For example, I just select the colors, which color you love to place on your document you can choose. So this is a shape option. I have changed it as a background. So now it's a time to change your shape as a behind this back. So just select here the text wrapping option. Once you select that option, you will get the square, tight and top and bottom. So just choose behind the text. So once you select the behind the text, automatically your shapes will be behind the text so that you can peacefully type your text. So how to type your text on the background? So just select the A box again. So you will get option called shapes option. Just go to home and choose your font style and font everything. On double tap on that, automatically your cursor will be activated over here. So I just select here to type my text over here. So what I have to do, so just select hello everyone. So the font color is in white. I want to change the font color. Just select entire font color so that I can change the font color over here. So the beautiful option will be ready to that. So I can increase the font size. I can able to make my font. Everything will be ready throughout that. So using this option, you can create your background and you can make your Word documents as a wonderful view for your things. So using your mobile phone itself, you can make your wonderful Word document. Yes, if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.